What is a tempered glass screen protector and why should you get one? A tempered glass screen protector is a thin layer of glass that you put over your device's display. This will help protect your device against scratches and cracks. While a film one will stop your phone getting scratched, it won't actually stop cracks appearing. So who is a tempered glass screen protector for? Well, anyone with a phone. For me personally, I don't like to bathe with my phone. I'll happily chuck it in my pocket with keys and coins, which would actually scratch the screen up. However, in my scenario, if it does get scratched up, I can just swap it out for a new screen protector. Another reason why I use a tempered glass screen protector on my phone is because I'll actually get more when I come to sell my device. This is because I've used a tempered glass screen protector and a case, meaning that the actual phone is in pristine condition. So if I'm trading it in or selling it on eBay, I'm getting more for my money. As I've been using a glass screen protector on my device as well, if it gets scratched or worse, cracked, I just have to replace the screen protector rather than replacing the whole screen, which can be expensive. Now, just because tempered glass screen protectors are fairly inexpensive, it doesn't mean they're not scratch and crack resistant. As you can see here, I went to town on this one with a knife and it came off without any scratches. This means it's going to fare up fairly well in your pocket. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Glass screen protectors are very crack resistant, however, they're not going to be as strong as the glass on your phone. This means you'll probably end up replacing them a little bit more often than if you just didn't have a screen protector on. Now, screen protectors can also be a little bit tricky to install. So if you're not a trained veteran like me, you may have some trouble and end up with some bubbles or dust stuck underneath them. Also, something to bear in mind is that if you have an under-display fingerprint reader, like we do on this S23 Ultra, you might actually notice some slower speeds when unlocking your device. Now, they have got better over the years. However, if you still pick a lower quality version, you're likely going to experience slower speeds when using the fingerprint reader. For me though, the positives outweigh the negatives here. So you're always going to see a tempered glass screen protector on my device.